Carrie Jones here from Planning with Happy J, and today we're in my Everyday Carrie, my mini, from August 24th to the 30th. And can you believe we're ready to go into September already after this week? So let's put this away. And I'm going to use Sticker Books Live Spring Elements by Live Love Posh. And I know it's a spring, but it's still summer here. Is it ever summer? I got 3-digit heat. And I'm going to use these stickers, sheets, for the dates. My great-grandkids sent me these, and they're really great for the mini. Okay, now I need 24 to the 30th. So let's do 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, oops, and 29 and 30. Now Monday is the 24th. 25th is Tuesday. And now I'm going to go ahead and jump to the end. And 30. Okay, now let me get my stickers. Now the first one I'm going to take is this big floral here. And I'm not sure which way I want to use it. I'm finding, I forgot where I'm at. I have to dig deep. Oh, I didn't realize the butterfly was attached to it. Now, do I want to lay it here? No, the butterfly makes it upside down. So it's either here or here. I think my first choice, oh boy, are they sticky? Choice is better here. And then I got a small one up here. Let me dig down nice and deep. Yeah, I got it. And let me put it right along there. Now, somewhere there are dots. Okay. And I want about 4. Well, let me put, where do we want to start them? 1, 2, these are big dots. 3, 4. And I think, let me go back to my stickers. Let's check. There's someplace there's quotes. Yeah. And I think one would go down here nicely. And these are big. A flower blossoms on its own. Oh, its own joy. I didn't realize that was connected to it. I think a small one could go up here. Okay, let's take this one here. This one's a quote by John Lennon. Love is the flower, you've got to let it grow. You know, I think this should go over a little bit. If I can get it up without ripping the paper. Yeah, that looks better balanced. Now, let's go over here. Now I have appointments on Tuesday, the 25th, and the 26th. I go to Costco and pick up my new hearing aids. Oh. Oh, the boxes, no. I think the boxes are back here somewhere. Yeah. And I want the pink, peach, and green ones. Okay, let's take one peach and one green. Let's go back to the peach. Well, this will work just as well. And Wednesday was the Costco. And then Friday I have dance lessons. So I go out to that. And let's do another peach. Let's take this one here. Now, let's take this one of the envelope and the scissors and the ribbon, and let's put it right down here. And what do I want to use? Let's take this little envelopes. And let's put it right there. And Saturday. Well, let's take this butterfly and put it somewhere. If I can get it up. No, I'm not digging deep enough. That's not gonna come up. Let me try this one here. Okay, I got it. And let's put that over here on Sunday, because usually Saturday and Sunday I'm staying home. Well, let's try this drink. This is a big one. Do I want to put it here? No, it's gonna go over. And I want something for Monday, but everything is just too big. I wonder if I cut it. Let's try this. There. Let's put it back in the book. Okay, I think that's it. Happy planning and bye.